All right, let's get into it. I promised you guys an app yesterday for day 1 of Holistic Health 101, and we are ready to get started this evening. I'm so happy to see you guys. Thank you all for the love. And to make sure that you are marked present, make sure you click that heart. I need to know that you are here, and then you also need to comment in there once you've done your homework assignment that you've downloaded the app. So I need 2 things from you to make sure that you are present and for you to get credit today. 1, hit that like, extra credit for following me, and then double credit if you hit repost, okay? And then make sure you comment below when you have downloaded the app. You can say done, you can type in keyword Yuka, which is Yuka. So let's get started talking about the Yuka app. Girl, what is this Yuka app you over here talking about? This Yuka app right here has been amazing. It has been extremely helpful to a lot of my clients and patients that are struggling with nutritional health or just want to change their diet or looking to help their household eat healthier, or when they go out in public, they're also looking to have more healthier meals at restaurants and better take-up options and snacks. So this app here, it's amazing, guys. I really like it. And there's more than one of its kind, but I chose this one for a few reasons. And you're going to find out if you show up at my live tomorrow. So make sure you're paying attention to when I drop what time we're going on live tomorrow so you can learn more about the Yuka app. So let's go ahead and talk about why I have Quaker Oats behind me with a poor score of 48. And what does that even really mean? So, poor doesn't necessarily mean poor. It just means on a scale from 1 to 100, it has a low rating, but that doesn't mean that you should cancel this out. Now, this is instant oat milk. It is something that a lot of people like. Oatmeal is very common in the morning. It's easy to make. It's boxed food that you can keep in the storage. So it's something that you would like to have often. So if you eat Quaker Oats, you may want to pay close attention to see why this may be good for you or why it may not be good for you based on your dietary needs. So for example, Quaker Oats says 48 out of 100. Now, what is the negatives on why it's 48 out of 100? Well, calories, sugar, and sodium. Does that really mean that it's bad? But then they have all these positive reasons. And look at that. No risky additives. Now that's a big win. That's a really big win. So if there's no additives and the saturated fat is low, and it has some protein, which is an excellent source, why would it be rated low or poor? That is why I want to teach you how to use the Yuka app and other apps that help you read labels. Now, some of these apps are run by the corporation that is pushing their food, meaning they're in the pockets of the company. However, Yuka is one of my favorites because they do not play favorites and they do not care about brands. They are mainly here to point out what's inside of the food to allow you to make the educated decision. So just because it says bad or poor or good or excellent doesn't mean that it works for you, your body type, and what you need for your meal planning. They also give you additional suggestions with higher ratings, but remember, they're giving you those suggestions so that you can make an educated decision for yourself, because maybe it works today, but it does not work tomorrow, and you need the power of choice. And as a holistic health practitioner, your favorite holistic health practitioner, I want to make sure that you have the power of choice. So make sure you join me tomorrow in the live so that you can learn how this app can be powerful for you. And guess what? You can scan this app while you're at the grocery store, and it keeps your history. So when it's time to do your groceries, you have all the help and support and knowledge you need. Even better, your children will love this app. My daughter is in love with the app. My son loves the app. It is so fun. They love running around the store, scanning every little thing, and you're going to become addicted to it. Now, Understand that this app is one of those apps where they also include body products as well, facial products, lotions, and we have to be careful because it may have a low rating because of the ingredients, but doesn't mean that that ingredient is bad for the skin. It just means that you need to pay attention. So I am really excited, guys. We're going to go over more details. I'm going to have plenty of examples for you in the live tomorrow. So make sure you stay tuned. Right now, I'm looking at doing this about 12 p.m., which is going to be 3 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and then going to be 12 p.m. PST time. So listen to me closely. When I drop that video telling you what time I'm going on live tomorrow, you're not going to want to miss it, and you're going to want to get your credit and your extra points. I got gifts and gifts and gifts, y'all. So I look forward to seeing you.